Installing controllers and drives in a chassis. Press the locking tabs and push the controller handles down to a horizontal position. Align the rear of the controller with the opening in the chassis, and then use the handles to gently push in the controller until it meets the midplane and is fully seated in the chassis. Repeat these steps to install the second controller into the chassis. Pull the controller handles up and lock them in place with the tabs. With the cam handle in the open position, use both hands to insert the drive and then push it in until it stops. Fully seat the drive by pushing the cam handle until it clicks into place. Repeat this process for the remaining drives. Install the bezel. Boot the controllers. Refer to the maintenance guide for the procedure.